What's up, everybody? It's Prosperity Insight, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. We're talking about a step-by-step guide on how to get rich. No fluff, no shortcuts, just actionable strategies that have worked for me and countless others. We'll break it down into three major phases: starting to make money, building wealth, and getting rich.
Before you even think about making money, let's talk goals. Not just any goals, we're talking SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Forget about vague dreams of being rich. Instead, tell me, how much money do you actually want to make? What does rich even mean to you? Is it $1 million? 10 million? Write that number down. Now, break it down.
Now let's take that big, scary goal and chop it down to size. Let's stick with our $1 million example. $200,000 a year might sound like a lot, but break it down further. That's about $16,667 per month. Once you see the smaller numbers, it becomes much less intimidating and much more actionable.
Listen, you can't expect to get rich by just wishing for it. You need to invest in yourself first. What skills can you learn to increase your earning potential? Knowledge is power, and in today's economy, it's also a serious moneymaker.
Chapter 4. Work every single day. This is where most people fall off the wagon. Consistency is key. Make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Chapter 5. Get stuff done. Move the needle. Stop procrastinating and start taking action. It's easy to get bogged down in planning and research, but at some point you need to start executing. Focus on tasks that directly contribute to your income-generating activities.
Title: Outsource and automate. Your time is valuable, so don't waste it on tasks that can be done by someone else or even automated.
Chapter 7. Analyze and improve. What gets measured gets managed. Track your progress, analyze your results, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy.
Chapter 8. Live like you're poor. This might sound counterintuitive, but trust me on this one. The less you spend, the more you can save and invest. Stay disciplined, keep your expenses low, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth will grow.
Chapter 9. Save to invest. Saving is important, but it's only the first step. You don't build wealth by letting your money sit in a savings account. You build wealth by putting your money to work for you. Chapter 10. Invest for cash flow and appreciation. Now, let's talk about where to put your money to work. Look for investments that generate passive income, like dividend-paying stocks or rental properties. Diversify your portfolio and don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Chapter 11. Reinvest in your main business. Reinvest a portion of your profits back into your business to fuel further growth.
Find a mentor. Having a mentor can be a game changer. A good mentor can provide guidance, support, and valuable insights that can accelerate your journey to success. Your network is your net worth. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with like-minded individuals in your field.
Once you've built a solid network, don't be afraid to leverage those connections. Explore different investment opportunities, partner with other entrepreneurs, and consider joint ventures.
The journey to wealth building doesn't end with one successful venture. Have an exit strategy in place. Once you've successfully exited, take the lessons you've learned, the capital you've accumulated, and start the process all over again with a new venture.
And there you have it, folks. Those are the steps I took, and those are the steps that can lead you to financial freedom. It's not going to be easy, but it's absolutely possible. Remember, Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this.